this miserable song on repeat, 'cause you seem to forget how much you are hurting me.
So I've pulled the bookcase out from there because it was just in there for the moment, testing how it sort of looked like next to the desk situation. I've moved my little plant stand / bar cart type thing that I had set up in the corner back over there, but I don't know if that's going to stay there. It might block the walkway too much. And then when you take your house apart and you bring all this new stuff in to make it like just right, dealing with this situation for a couple of days now. So I've just popped that there to see how it looks. I did mention when I bought the sofas that I wanted to turn this into like a little reading kind of nookie corner, because I use this thing just to kind of sit and read and chill, and that's what I really want to spend more time doing in my free time. So that is there. Bit noisy today, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm really wondering whether I should keep the home office there, because no matter how much you kind of keep it clean all the time, it still accumulates a lot of stuff like electronics and the microphone and just bits and pieces, and it just looks messy. So I'm thinking of maybe moving my home office study type thing into my bedroom, which I know is apparently not great, but as an alternative to having it constantly out in the lounge room where it's like in your face all the time, I think it might be a better option. And it'll just give that little bit of extra living room space here. So I might see how that looks. And if it doesn't work out, the worst that happens is I just switch it back to how it was. So keeps me busy, keeps it interesting, never boring. Oh, but before we go any further, I have got to have something to eat and another coffee. Whew. What's open up there? So much to get done. All right, but first of all, another coffee, some brunch, and then back to cleaning up this house because it is in a flipping disaster and I just can't stand it. It's been getting on my nerves so badly this week because I've just had stuff accumulating and it's been kind of hanging around in limbo until I've had the opportunity to be able to film it, and it's just been getting on my nerves. So I'm glad to just be able to spend 2 days and just put the house back in order and get everything sorted out. So let's get on with it. Let's get back to it.
Do what's right. You say you will, but then you don't. You just don't. You don't.
Probably one of the most unhealthy snacks in the world, but I don't care. I bought them for Riley and he only ate one, so there's 2 left. And I could chuck it in the freezer, but the freezer's pretty full, so I figured may as well eat it. Coffee number 3 today, but I actually don't even care.
'Cause you don't take me seriously. What's there to repair? If you don't wanna talk to me, you should know your time is up. I'm out, I'm done. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and you'll no longer feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better.
Hey Siri, play Ariana Grande. Siri, can the computer actually hear me? Freaking hell.
I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. So you thought I would let this slip. No, that's right. Your words don't mean a thing to me. Sleepless night. Your love has left us incomplete. Thinking that your promises will fit so loud. No, that's right. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and you'll no longer feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. 'Cause I don't. So you thought I would let
groceries some kale slaw kit. So it's got kale, beetroot, cabbage, all that kind of goodness in it. And it has like a yogurt dressing and some super seed mix, diced butternut pumpkin. So I just put this in the oven and bake it, and I will add it to salads. Some non-disposable cleaning gloves. So I've got a pair for the kitchen, and now I just need one for the bathroom. One Scotch fillet steak, some milk for coffees, some more coffee pods, aluminium for recycling, and my guilty pleasure, ramen noodles, Indomie instant noodles, mee goreng flavor, my favorite, especially with a Red Bull. Thanks, Dave. And grain soft wraps, and then a few more of these little treehouse books, which I'll just open one quickly. Which my youngest son Riley is obsessed with. So encouraging him again to read, so that's great. Thanks, Coles.
Has left us incomplete, thinking that your promises will fit so loud. No, that's right. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and you'll no longer feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip, thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip, thought you knew me so much better. Cause I don't. So you thought I would let this slip, thought you knew me so much better. Oh no. So you thought I would let this slip, so I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip, thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence. Never feel. So you thought I would let this slip, thought you knew me so much better.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure. Oh. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
So I just quickly popped out to Ikea and I grabbed one big thing, which is outside still, but I also picked up just some more of these. So I just picked up some of these Scub drawer organizers, pretty stock standard. They are great to have on hand to use throughout the house, and I'm planning on making a gallery wall. So I picked up some more of these basic white Reba frames that I use throughout the house a lot. I already have quite a few, and I picked up 3 more. One is also outside because it's extra large, just to put together and make a gallery wall kind of feature. Slightly different version of the same thing. I also grabbed this wireless phone charger, so you can just sit your phone on top, because I picked one up from Officeworks, but it doesn't really work very well. You've got to really be particular about where you put it. So I've actually tested this one. Every time I go to Ikea, I just put my phone on, and I'm like, yeah, that works every single time that I put it on. No fuss, no mucking around. So I grabbed one of those. Then in Kmart, the impossible. I've been looking for this for so long, and I don't even know why I want it so badly. Probably because it's so hard to find. This little pink rainbow arch vase, $5.50 from Kmart. Finally found one, so I grabbed this and I'm going to put this in my bedroom, just on top of my dresser. Alright, let's see how quick we can get this done. Build that, clean those, put them in and sort them out. Wish me luck. That's what's changing. Well, that took a little bit longer because I was texting back and forth with my work friends, my old work friends, to arrange a meetup tonight. So that took almost an hour, but at least it's done. So that is one thing off the to-do list. Done.
Cause I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. Maybe revealing the ring me and tell you my name. Yeah, I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. No one can stand the ring me, I won't be ashamed. Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. You do the same and we'll be alright. Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. Pressure's really bringing me down. I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. Oh.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, unwilling and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all messy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control you, don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control you, don't know me. I am fading unfelt.
So guys, I really hope you enjoyed having a sneak peek as to the updates I've been doing around my apartment lately. Be sure to subscribe and hit your notification bell because you don't want to miss Wednesday's video. I'll be taking you through in depth all of the updates that I've been doing. And then there is a super special surprise video coming on Friday. So make sure you are subscribed and you have got that notification bell switched on. I hope you have a fabulous week. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.